Building an offshore wind farm is a massive undertaking. We'll take you through the entire process, from the foundations to the turbines you see rotating behind me. We hope you enjoyed seeing the process. Please like and subscribe to follow the completion of the wind farm.
Bring it down slow.
Alignment check, mark.
Looks good from here. Keep coming down.
The massive jack-up vessel transports the critical foundations, the monopiles, to the offshore construction site. The massive jack-up vessel begins to elevate, rising above the waves.
The monopile is now being rotated into its vertical position before driving. The monopile driving process is critical. As the foundation enters the water, it creates these concentric ripples. This hydraulic hammer, weighing hundreds of tons, will drive the monopile deep into the seabed, securing the foundation for the wind turbine.
The hammer is lowered into position, and the mechanical jaws extend, firmly gripping the massive steel monopile.
Here we see the massive scale of the monopile foundation, securely fastened to the seabed by the specialized installation vessel.
We are now lowering the colossal transition piece onto the installed monopile, a critical step before the tower sections arrive. Here we see the transition piece fully installed. The sealed grout lines ensure a strong connection to the foundation below.
This massive yellow transition piece is bolted to the monopile, bridging the foundation and the turbine tower high above the waterline.
The cable-laying vessel arrives at the jacket foundation. It carries the crucial inter-array cables on this massive turntable.
Control, we have reached the deployment point. Tension is holding steady.
Roger that. Proceeding with lay.
towed by the vessel, the plough digs deep into the seabed, creating the trench for the wind farm's cables.
Specialized J-tubes guide the armored subsea cables directly into the monopile foundation, securing the critical connection to the grid.
The massive substation topside, weighing thousands of tons, begins its journey across the open ocean aboard a heavy lift vessel.
Process of lifting the offshore substation begins. Taut cables bear the immense load as the structure clears the deck. The installation process requires millimeter precision as the 4,000-ton structure is slowly lowered onto the waiting jacket foundation below. Inside the substation, massive transformers step up the voltage, ensuring efficient transfer back to the grid onshore. Terminating the cables requires precision to handle the massive voltage from the offshore turbines. The tower section is meticulously lowered onto the transition piece, a critical moment requiring absolute precision before the bolts are secured.
We're almost there, just a fraction more on the left.
Confirmed. Alignment achieved. Inserting the drift pin now.
Hold it steady, we're almost there. Keep the pressure even.
The nacelle is carefully lowered onto the tower flange, ensuring precise alignment of the bolt holes before the massive bolts are driven in.
This specialized vessel is now lifting one of the massive turbine blades, a critical step in the commissioning process. The first colossal blade is carefully maneuvered into position, marking a critical step in the turbine.
The installation vessel is now moving away, leaving behind the fully commissioned turbine, ready to generate power.
All indicators are green on the cabinet.
Okay, let's cross-reference with the SCADA readings before we finalize the report.
solid synchronization signal. Go ahead and close the breaker.
Closing the breaker. System is fully energized.
Torque check complete on riser 1.
Confirmed. Marker applied. Logging the results now.
All right, prepare to transfer. Watch the gap. Ready when you are.
Okay, checklist item 304, main breaker continuity.
Verified. I've tagged the relay settings as complete.
The commissioning phase involves meticulous testing. The blades pitch through small, controlled angles. As the system stabilizes, the vibration sensors transition from an amber alert state to a steady operational green. Once the monopile is secured, the turbine blades spin with incredible force, harnessing the power of the offshore winds.
As the turbines come online, they begin to spin at slightly different speeds during the crucial commissioning phase.
Access the platform by 2 bells.
The sensors are calibrated. We're ready for deployment.
We have an amber alert on turbine 4.
Running diagnostics now. Looks like a sensor failure.